So, this is Chiang Rak, just north of Bangkok. It's a complete end of the world. And I got here today for one sole purpose. Today is Father's Day in Thailand, which actually means the birthday of their king. And the SRT is going to run a steamer from Bangkok to Ayutthaya. So I'm here to find some nice spot to film it. Okay, how about this one? Is this going to even hold me? Yeah, it seems alright. Let's see the view. Okay, not completely bad, but kind of flat. And according to Google, there's a train bridge that way. I think that's gonna be better. These monks are really at it. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, so very simple train bridge, but it's gonna look good passing on top of it. Also, the scenery here is quite nice. Okay, this looks like a good spot. So the plan now is wait for the steamer, film whatever passes by in the meantime. Also, I want to try a slow-mo, so I'm gonna set up a second camera, see what it does. Yeah. Something like this. Forgot to mention that it's 8 in the morning now, and as I'm looking at the train tracking system, the situation is not good, because it seems that the soonest something will be passing by in here will be 9:18. That's about an hour. And as I had to show off on the bridge, I lost my adapter to the microphone. It's in the water now. And so from now on the sound might be a little worse. Now looking at the status of Rangsit train station, there is this 901 train. That's a very peculiar number. Normally SRT does not have numbers this high. And so that's gonna be my steamer, I'm sure. Something unannounced is coming. coming. Okay, damage report. I caught my third steamer, that's a good thing. I also lost an adapter for my microphone, which is going to cost me like 500 baht, but that's alright. Now it's time for some culture.